Hi guys, as I always say, your wish is my command. So I'm back with your requests again. So I am going to share all the products that I feel that are underrated in 2024 and needs to go viral immediately in 2025. These are some of my few gems. You can call them my absolute favorites that I have been enjoying throughout the year. But I am like very excited to share with you guys so that you guys can have the benefits of that as well. So now let's quickly get started. As always, I've written down in my journal so that I don't miss out on any product. And let's, without any random order, let's quickly begin with the video. Okay, the first product that I want to share with you guys is this sunscreen from A Conscious Chemist. I haven't seen many people talking about this sunscreen. This sunscreen, I got it from Conscious Chemist website. So just because I had to add one product so that I can get freebies. That's when I picked up. And they have, I guess, multiple sunscreens. So this one I thought would suit me the best, being a combination skin. So this one is a very bright, water resistant, soothing, calming, non-greasy sunscreen. It has got SPF 50, PA4+, UVA, UVB, etc., etc. It also has niacinamide and blackberry extract. And see how much I have used it. I don't know why people aren't talking about this sunscreen. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट हैज दिस पर्पल कलर जिससे मैं बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रेस हो गई थी. नो आई गेट एक्साइटेड विद दिस स्मॉल. ओके, दिस इज कम्प्लीटली लाइक गेटिंग ओवर. आई थिंक आई नीड टू कट दिस सनस्क्रीन, बट मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना था इसीलिए मैंने इसको अभी तक कट नहीं किया है. आ गया. इट हैज अ वेरी लाइट पर्पल टेक्सचर just like your Epigamia yogurt. I hope you guys can see. And it has this moussey kind of a texture, you guys. I mean, it smells delicious, like a blueberry. They say it's blackberry, yeah, some sort of berry. And it has so moussey like texture. It's gonna be very good for oily skin people, and it gets instantaneously absorbed. Like मुझे थोड़ा सा भी टाइम नहीं लगा इसको ब्लेंड करने में. प्लेन है, you guys can see it's completely absorbed into the skin. Doesn't feel chip greasy. It doesn't feel heavy at all. And I kind of like the texture of this sunscreen so much. I have finished it and probably will repurchase it once I run out of my current sunscreen. The only problem is, I would say, it is a 50 ml quantity, and I don't like sunscreens that come in 50 ml quantity because you don't even realize how fast you finish this product. So basically, I love a 100 ml or 80-gram product. So I really wish they do come in a big tube, but then that's my problem. This is going to be loved by oily skin girlies. Trust me on this. This also has niacinamide. It does have like fragrance, but fragrance ekdam last mein hai. Many good ingredients in this. It has cholesterol, niacinamide, ceramides, zinc oxide into it. विंटर में अगर कोई नॉर्मल स्किन टाइप है सो प्रॉब्ली उनके लिए ये नहीं चलेगा, बट फॉर ऑयली पीपल विंटर में भी चल जाएगा, एंड समर में तो इट्स गोना बी अ बूम फॉर आई थिंक ऑल स्किन टाइप्स. So if you haven't checked out this product, if you haven't heard about this product, let me know in the comment section. And if you guys have an eye on it and you were contemplating whether to get it or not, I would say give it a shot. It's not that expensive, so I'm sure it's gonna be worth it for you guys. So that's my first product, guys. The next product is this moisturizer from Face Skin. I don't know how many times I have spoken about this product, but I don't understand why people don't talk about this product particularly, because Face Skin just came out with Hydra toner. It is a pretty decent toner, but for combination skin type, which kind of gets normal during this winter season, मेरे लिए उसका हाइड्रेशन काफी नहीं हो रहा है. I mean, within couple of minutes that toner is completely absorbed and gone. I don't know, dry skin people, they say it makes your skin plumpier and it's a glass skin kind of a thing. I really don't feel it. I'm still trying to use it. It definitely gives me hydration, but it doesn't do anything much apart from hydration. So it is a toner. I'm not saying I expect a lot. It doesn't have any actives or anything for you to do something. It's just supposed to give you hydration. But from my skin type during this winter also, I don't think it's adding a layer of hydration. It's what I'm trying to say. But nobody talks about this Face Skin dip, daily dip moisturizer. You guys know I love this product, and I thought that even though you guys have repeatedly heard about this product from me, I thought I should give a shout out to this product so that you guys, maybe some of you are new, you might come across my channel and hear about this product and try it for yourself. How much I love this product. So this, if anyone is of dry skin family, can also use it. they're gonna love it for sure. It says it's for all skin types, but me being a combination skin type, I have used this in summers also, and I pretty liked it. Not for the daytime, during summers I would say a layer of this moisturizer was just enough for me when you're in an AC environment. Winter season, I'm loving this moisturizer. You guys can see, again, this is my third tub or so in this year, and again I have like finished it so much. मैं अभी फिलहाल I'm fluctuating between this one and Clinique Moisture Surge. I have a lot of things to say about Clinique Moisture Surge, so let me finish at least one dabba and then I'll get back to you about that. As hyaluronic acid, cica, and lots of ceramides. This doesn't clog your pores and anything. It is like vegan, cruelty free, alcohol free, dye free, essential oil free, fragrance free, mineral oil free. It doesn't have any fragrance. Love this moisturizer to bits, guys. If you guys are dry skin family or any skin family, try out this moisturizer if you haven't yet. I mean, Fade Beauty face skin is in general good. Whatever products I have tried from them, they are good, but this moisturizer and the SPF one is a complete hit for me. So that's my second product. Then moving on is a lip gloss, which is like I'm randomly picking up. So let's, like, I can see 2 3 makeup products, so let's get it over with. So this is from the Blur Cosmetics lip gloss. This is Do Don't Touch My Gloss. This is in the shade deep brown. And how many times have I spoken about this? I don't have a huge lip gloss collection, so I'm not gonna say ki ye best lip gloss hai and everything. I do have like pretty decent amount of lip glosses, and amongst all the lip glosses, this is the one which is like extremely favorite and long lasting. Recently one of you guys commented whether this one is long lasting or not. I think this is the only lip gloss that is long lasting. See, lip gloss in general is not going to be long lasting. I'm not going to lie, they are going to transfer if you eat, drink, or even if you keep on talking, it's gonna fade away eventually in a couple of hours. This one, even after fading, even when I sip on water and I'm like it, even when it transfers, it leaves a beautiful uniform tint, which is like very long lasting. Surprisingly, being a lip gloss, it is long lasting. Plus, it doesn't dry out your lips, and all the gloss features to hey. Give you a swatch of this one. This is gonna suit all the dusky skin beauty so nicely. As you can see, मैंने इसको इतना खत्म किया, that says a lot. And also, this is like a one and done kind of a gloss, because if you belong to dusky beauty, you don't have to put in a lip liner and a lipstick over which you have to top it. This is one and done because the shade is so beautiful. It's exactly like a chocolate brown kind of a shade, and it's just gonna suit you so beautifully. So you don't need a separate lip liner or a lipstick underneath it. This is just gonna work so beautifully, and dusky skin population पे तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगने वाला है. So you can totally check it out. I know this is not completely new product. This is not a 2024 product, but this is something that I came across in 2024, and I do have a coupon code with them. I think it is Rustica Selvam, if I'm not wrong. I'm gonna pop it on the screen. You guys can use that coupon code to get additional 20% off, I think. So they're not expensive. You can totally check it out. So that's my third product. Then moving on to, again, next makeup is this one from Mars Cosmetics, and this is the I Love Multi Pots. Mars के बहुत सारे products viral है, and most of them are a hit. I don't know why no one is talking about this product. Why are they not talking about this product, you guys? This is so good. I think they come in 2 shades. I am in the shade, obviously, brown plus brown. First of all, I love the packaging. It comes with a eyebrow powder, and it also comes with a gel liner, which is a brown shade I have picked up. This works pretty good for my eyebrows. So this, you guys can see, like, when it's itna use kara hai already, you guys can see the dent in this as well. Gel eyeliner, this is also something that I have been reaching out to. Pretty good, guys. The gel eyeliner is so long lasting. Trust me, I've tried so many gel liners from different brands. I've tried the In Color one, the L'Oreal one, the Maybelline one, and this is the, I think, the 4th or the 5th gel liner that I have tried in my entire life. This is so long lasting, doesn't smudge, doesn't budge. Even the wing doesn't smudge. I've already spoken about that, I think. and the eyebrow powder is also very nice, like it. And it also comes with a brush, you guys, which is very very useful. It's very tiny brush, but it has this spoolie and angled brush, so you can use that same angled brush for your eyebrows filling and for your gel eyeliner as well. It is slightly expensive. I think it's over 350 or 400, but you're getting two products for, and that too from coming from Mass Cosmetics, which performs so good. It's complete hit, guys. If you guys are looking for something like this, then definitely try out this product. This is not going to disappoint you. As always, Mass Cosmetics never disappoint. Another product that I have is this lip liner from Zudio. Zudio ke makeup is been a thing in 2024. I personally haven't tried out any of their makeup product in general, because a lot of YouTubers and a lot of content creators have already done a video on that. And every time I go to Zudio and I check out their makeup, I never got intrigued by the makeup collection in general. It is very inexpensive and everything, but I never even felt like swatching. Like I did swatch a couple of the things, and my mom has some gloss and everything. But some of you guys even asked me to try a Zudio makeup. I went many times, and I always came out empty-handed. Like there are other things that I picked up from Zudio, but the makeup in itself, like even though it was very cheap, I thought I don't want to waste it. Plus 90 rupees ka kajal, 70 rupees ka kajal is, I'm not comfortable putting that kind of a product into my eyes, you guys, so I never really like bother to venture into it. But this lip liner blew my mind, because this was not that inexpensive when it comes to Zudio. I think this is over 120. I don't know the exact price. If I go to Zudio showroom, I'll definitely like get the प्राइस. बट इसका इसका जो आउटर रैपर रहता है उसमें सारा डिटेल्स था विच आई थ्रू. And for the longest time, I didn't know the lip liner ka shade. But then last time when I visited, I checked it out, and this is in the shade Deep Nude. Because you guys were also asking which lip liner I was using. First of all, this comes in a retractable pen, which is like amazing. Then the shade in itself is very good. It's like a mauve, not mauve, it's like a peachy pink shade. Let me give you a swatch. It looks very good on my skin tone as well. Very creamy to apply, you guys. Very creamy, very long lasting. So in one of my videos, you guys asked what kind of lip liner I'm wearing. I don't remember. I think Plum का जो मेरा collaboration वाला video था, उसमें I am wearing this lip liner. And then जो application वाला video था, उसमें I'm wearing the exact concoction that I'm wearing today. So this is the lip liner that I wore that day as a lipstick. I filled in with this lip liner, and then over which I went ahead with Tint Cosmetics ka lip balm. Emily in Paris Tint Cosmetics ka lip balm. So it is pretty long lasting. This is also something that I took for my Banaras trip. I used it. It was put together the entire day, and it is creamy. It is long lasting. The shade is very nice. Overall, a hit. So you guys, why is this underrated? Because I don't think many people are talking about Zudio lip liner while they are talking about other makeup products. So needs to go viral in 2025. But that's that. That's pretty much what I have in makeup category. Let's move on to my most favorite lip balm of this year, which I got introduced to, is this Plix lip balm. Couple of you also went ahead and bought this on my recommendation, and you guys loved it. Guys said that it's very close to Laneige lip mask. That makes me so happy, you guys, when you guys come and are happy with my recommendation. I like that kind of like warms my heart so much. So I thought I should give a shout out to this lip balm, because nobody on the internet is talking about this lip balm. I don't know why. It's a very close dupe of, or close alternative of, Laneige lip slipping mask. I've spoken about this a lot. I don't think I should bore you with that with the details and everything, but this is a Plix pomegranate plump lips pudding lip mask. This is the 15-gram variant, pretty affordable. This smells like Laneige lip mask. This is, oh my god, I love this lip mask, you guys. You guys can see even it looks exactly like lip mask. Plus the packaging is so quirky. मैंने बहुत खत्म कर दिया. I'm like almost about to finish it, but I'm like saving it. I'm not religiously using it. I'm using some other lip balm along with this one. So my thing is, I like to use products and finish it off if that's something that I'm not planning to buy it again. But the products that I love and I'm sure which I'm gonna buy again are the products that I use cautiously. Like for this, for example, face skin moisturizer, I wouldn't use it in daytime, even though I want to use it in the daytime, because then I'll finish it off faster and I know I have to purchase this again. So that's something that I do. Let me know in the comment section if you guys also do, because ये तो वापस खरीदना ही है ना, तो फिर खत्म करके क्या मतलब enjoyment या joy मिलने वाला है, satisfaction मिलने वाला है. So that's what exactly happening with this also. Had I been continuously using this, I would have finished it a long time back, because बहुत कम बचा है इसमें. But yeah, I'm not like using it that much. It doesn't have tint or anything. It just does look pink like a Laneige lip mask, but it doesn't have tint or anything. So very beautiful guys. रात को इसको लगा के सोने के बाद सुबह भी मेरे lips वैसे soft रहता है, supple रहता है, doesn't go away. That's all. I wanted to make a big video out of this as well, like 24 products मैं ढूंढने चली थी, but then I thought okay, uh, I didn't want the products to be very repetitive also, so I thought let's just stick to 10 products. So I just have 10 products. I might have more underrated products, but yeah, मैं कभी कोई और videos में आपको बता ही दूंगी, so don't worry about that. So let's talk about this Nykaa का body lotion. I don't think anyone is talking about this body lotion. I don't understand why. Because these body lotions are so good. Both of these body lotions are something that I got for free during some or the other Nykaa sale. Because Nykaa के जब भी sales लगते हैं, बड़े बड़े sales जब लगते हैं, they kind of add a free product into the cart without you even knowing which product you're gonna get. Sometimes they do this in your birthday month also. They add a free product, a full size free product, but which you cannot, like, you don't know, you know only when it arrives. And there are sometimes the products that they ask you to choose, like amongst these 5 or 4 products you can choose. So that's how I ended up choosing, I think, this one. And this one they just had sent me during my birthday month or something, I don't know. So basically ये मेरे को recently मिला था, and I have shown in this in some of my hauls as well. I think Diwali Dhamaka haul में I had shown you this. It's not a collaboration thing. I had purchased a fixed amount, because of which I had gotten a free product. Let me be clear. This is the one which I first took it for my Banaras trip, and you guys see the halat of this is almost half over. In the Banaras weather, it was cold and everything. It did moisturize my skin. मेरी skin में थोड़ा सा भी white marks नहीं आ रहा था. I did not feel cracky. I did not feel dry at all. सुबह लगाया, रात तक वो रहता था. रात को नहाने के बाद लगाया, पूरा रात रहता था. I am blown away by these body lotions. Why are nobody talking about this? These I have no idea. Nykaa के products are in general not bad. Most of the products that I have tried from Nykaa have worked out very beautifully. They were one of my favorite products of that time whenever I've used Nykaa products. So this one is in the fragrance Bisous. I don't know, guys, how do you pronounce this? If I can find the notes of this body lotion, I'll definitely pop a picture. Mind you, both of them are perfumed body lotion. However, this one says only body lotion. This one says perfumed body lotion limited edition. This is in the variant Belle. But anyways, this one is a floral fragrance, and this one is I need to smell it. What it is, I forgot. This is floral as well, but ये बहुत ही अच्छा smell है यार. I really wish ऐसा कुछ perfume आ जाए. Can you guys see कितना moisturize हो गया है मेरा हाथ? Smells so good. I would love to have a perfume like this, because it feels so luxurious as well. They are perfumed. When you layer perfumes on these body lotion, it's just gonna last so long, be it any perfume. This is for 500 for 200 ml quantity. Definitely expensive, but you know what I'm talking about. These were free products. So if next time if Nykaa is doing a sale and if you are asked to choose, I would say please give it a shot. I don't know whether these products go on sale, and I know for a reason that they have a lot of variants in it. So according to the perfumes, they also have Nykaa perfumes, right? So according to the perfumes, probably you can choose the variants. This is this is something I think if I finish it, I probably will pay the amount and buy it, because that's much how I love it. Plus, the convenience is so nice rather than a pump packaging, because pump packaging, I feel I always dispense more amount and end up finishing the product very soon. That's my biggest con when it comes to pump packaging. But when it comes to this squeezy tube, I don't dispense a lot of products. That's how my brain functions. It could be different for different people. So this is something that I'm definitely gonna repurchase if once I run out of it. And this one is the one that I'm using in this winter season in Mumbai right now for the use after the shower. So दिन morning में I apply sunscreen on the exposed part and बाकी parts में मैं ये लगाती हूँ. रात को again I go back to this. This is doing its job at the night time so nicely in during this winter season. But the fragrance is something that I did not like. This is too floral and I think इसमें desis बने हैं and not my favorite at all. You guys can see here, this Nykaa moisturizer is really good, but again it moisturizes my skin so nicely, and when you apply it after coming from shower when your body is little damp, you do require very little amount. तो मैं इसको almost 2 महीने से use कर रही हूँ, ये अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Moe by Nykaa, so Mua. They call it Mua by Nykaa or Moe by Nykaa. I think it's Mua by Nykaa. So इनके perfumes भी आते हैं, तो I think you can choose according to the notes of the perfume whichever you want. I'm sure if you layer them together, it's gonna be very very nice. So the fragrance of this is not nice, it's very floral, but ये काफी टाइम के बाद sink in हो जाता है. Dried up version is pretty good. Like people say you smell good. So dried down version on me, I think the others can smell. The projection is pretty good on this body lotion, but इसका जो first initial application not my favorite because it's too floral for my liking. But nevertheless, that's not the point. This is something that needs to be spoken about, and I really love it. This is very underrated according to me, I feel. Now, the second last product that I'm going to talk about is from this brand, जिसमें मैं 3 या 4 प्रोडक्ट आपको बताने वाली हूँ. In no mean this is sponsored, they don't even know I exist, but I feel this brand is in general so underrated. I have already spoken about one product in one of my recent videos. I'm not gonna sit and talk about that particular product, but I'm gonna talk about the other products which I have not spoken a lot about. So this is the brand from Earth Rhythm. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is my favorite Earth Rhythm Coconut SPF Butter Lotion. I think I have already spoken about this product in the past. I am going to definitely repurchase this one after I finish the Wish Care one. This is the Earth Rhythm Coconut Milk SPF 50 UVA UVB Protection Butter Lotion, Deep Nourishing Face and Body. It says, but of course I don't use it for face. It does have a fragrance of initial fragrance does smell like cardamom, elaichi, but then the dried down version is coconutty, and then eventually it goes away. The fragrance does not linger on for longer duration of time. But what I like is the texture of the body lotion. First of all, it's very liquidy. Don't mind the mess that I have created because it's very runny, so thoda spillage ho jata hai. Along with the sun protection, it hydrates your skin, and this gives a beautiful glow, you guys. It's very good for traveling as well because ये बहुत अच्छा glow देता है, and this glow is long lasting. It smells so good actually. Is such a gem, and I as usual like Earth Rhythm के products के बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. This product needs to go viral. Wish Care के body lotion भी बहुत अच्छा है, but if you guys want to take a break from it and if you are looking for something which has fragrance, you guys can check this out because I need a super duper fragrance in my body care range. I always keep saying it. If you guys are looking for a body sunscreen which has fragrance, you guys can check this out totally. You guys, the next product from Earth Rhythm, which again blew my mind, is this butter soap from Earth Rhythm. This is the buttercream soap. They do come in variety, I think 4 or 5 variety, and this is in the variant Filter Copy. I do have one more variant which I have not touched at all because bathroom में मेरे पास जगह नहीं है. This is slightly messy because bathroom से लेके आई हूँ. Okay, this comes with a spatula and अब देख सकते हो मैंने इसको इतना यूज करा है, बट समवन माइट से आई डोंट थिंक ये ज्यादा यूज हुआ है. यू माइट नॉट थिंक कि मैं इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ, बट गाइज इसको मैंने कम से कम, मैं क्या बोलूँ, 2 हफ्ते में एक बार तो मैं यूज़ कर ही लेती हूँ. लिटरली रिक्वायर कॉइन साइज्ड अमाउंट. कॉइन साइज भी ना गाइज ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. लाइक यू लिटरली रिक्वायर ओनली दिस मच, बट गाइज इट इज़ सो इमोलियंट. This small quantity is just enough to cover your entire body, guys. I'm not even kidding. If you try to use shower gel without loofah, I know many people are not using loofah because dermats don't recommend loofah, but I am someone OG old school. I need loofah if I'm using a shower gel. If you are someone who uses shower gel without loofah, you guys know how much quantity of shower gel you need for you to like completely emulsify your body, and in that process you would finish shower gel in no time. I don't have that much of money to spend on shower gel every 15 days if I use it without loofah. And the second thing, I don't feel fresh if I don't use loofah. So yeah, we are sidetracking. That's not the point. The point is बहुत कम quantity लगता है, and they have nailed up with the formulation. It smells good, you feel good, and this is something you can use it after shaving. So once I'm done with shaving, because I want that extra hydration, I kind of use this without using loofah, because shaving itself is an exfoliation. उसके ऊपर आप अगर loofah लगाओगे तो again it would add another layer of exfoliation. उसके ऊपर अगर आपने कोई exfoliating वाला body wash लगाया, that would be 3 layers of exfoliation. Do you really want to put your body through all of that? I don't think so. So to calm my skin after shaving, I like to use this because it's very hydrating. So dry skin people, winter season, do not sit on it. Try any variants. I'm sure all of them will be hydrating enough. They are very moisturizing. So once you clean from this body butter, you feel so nourished and moisturized. Come out of the skin, come out of the shower, on your little bit of damp skin, just apply any moisturizer, and you are sorted. Love your skin. Your skin is gonna be supple, and how? Why Earth Rhythm is killing with their products. So this is something, if you want, you can try it out. They do have very nice offers all the time going on. I've already spoken about it a lot in my video. I have gotten like this products probably for free, I don't remember, but yeah, buy one get one, buy two get two, or free products, full size free products में मुझे कब शायद मिला था ये, and I love it. So once I run out of it, I'm definitely gonna purchase this one or the other variant for sure. And the next autism product is this lip mask. Again, are people talking about this lip mask? This is the beetroot extract pomegranate flower lip mask overnight intensive treatment. Because 10 ml का variant है, and this is the only lip balm that I carried in my trip. This was the only thing that I used in the winters of UP. If you guys are on the lookout for a lip balm, apart from the Plix, if you don't want to try Plix for some reason, I don't know why you would do that, but still, if you want a different sort of a lip balm in this kind of a body to apply it, because that can be a little messy when you're out and about, you don't want to dig your fingers into it, then you can probably give this one a try. Very beautiful lip balm. It's not so thick, it's not so lightweight, it's not so runny, it's not so thick. It is a lip mask, so you would love to use this at night. Doesn't have tint, doesn't have fragrance. I don't like to have much of fragrance or any fragrance at all when I'm putting a lip mask at night. So again, nobody talks about this, but this lip mask is so good. It heals your lips so much. So again, this lip mask is something that you need to try out. Then the last but not the least that I'm going to talk about is another moisturizer from Pilgrim. So this is something was sent out to me by Pilgrim, and I had tried out this one for 5 or 6 days before I could make a video, and I posted a video. But you guys, since then I have used this product for good over, I don't remember how many days now. This is only moisturizer that I carried in my Banaras trip also. So you guys can totally see how much I had loved this product for me to get this moisturizer into my trip. So that's how much I trusted this moisturizer, especially for winter season. This moisturizer worked so good on my skin. Even now I was using this, but right now I have switched to Clinique Moisture Surge because I want to test that product out. I'm whole and solely committed to Clinique Moisture Surge, because when I use a lot of products, you don't really know which one is working, which one doesn't. So I've stopped all the Holy Grail products, which ye bhi mera Holy Grail ban chuka tha. I've stopped this, and even the face care I'm not using. I told you I'm not using that religiously. I am only using Clinique Moisture Surge so that I can test that product out. But this one, you guys देख सकते हो आप, इसको मैंने इतना use करा है. It's not pretty new. Amazing ingredients they have, you guys. Doesn't have fragrance, doesn't have any harsh chemicals into it. I'm gonna pop the ingredient list, but I've done a full dedicated video. You guys can totally go and check it out. I do have a coupon code. If I'm not wrong, I'm gonna mention on the screen. So this is the 5 ceramide barrier repair moisturizer. Mica is in general good for your sensitive, oily, acne prone skin, and it has like 5 ceramides, you guys. So, and it is fragrance free. It's a very clean moisturizer, doesn't have fragrance, perfect for anyone who is sensitive skin, acne prone skin, and it's gonna be good for combination oily skin people also. Dry skin people के लिए ये season, ये winter season में I think it's not gonna be that moisturizing, but if you belong to combination oily skin, this is a very pretty affordable moisturizer in the market. So what happened with me with Dot & Key moisturizer is the ceramide one, the blue one, the OG one. I finished multiple tubes of that moisturizer, and you might have seen in some of my older videos I was like hooked onto that moisturizer. But later I kind of detached with it, because obviously new launches, I was trying out new products. My content creation journey I was like trying out to your recommendation, everything that kind of took a back seat. But that one moisturizer I had taken to my Kashmir trip, because that's my OG moisturizer. I've been using it since years now. So I thought, okay, I'll take that, and I took Dermaco Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is just a backstory for you to understand my skin type. But ऊपर जाने के बाद कैंप में, ठंडी में, टेंट्स में इतनी हिम्मत हुई नहीं कि मैं एक मॉइस्चराइजर लगाऊं. इतनी ठंडी थी, but then I used to only apply the sunscreen. So the entire 8 days, I was only applying the sunscreen, nothing else, and my skin was pretty good, you guys. That hyaluronic acid sunscreen, I don't know how it worked in that freezing temperature, but it worked because I did not break out the entire 8 days. Like, even though we did not shower, TMI, I know, but even though we did not shower, we're just washing our faces and hands. After returning from the trip, the 1.5 day or 2 nights, one day, we kind of stayed in Srinagar before we took our flight back to our home. So that time in the hotel, I thought, okay, I'll do the skincare, put the moisturizer, and the next morning, I woke up with a breakout. Then I know, that is the product which caused me breakout. So I did some digging and did some research, and I found out that that has propylene glycol. So apparently propylene glycol can be comedogenic, which I didn't know at all. So many of these ceramide moisturizers have propylene glycol, which can be comedogenic. I cannot put my finger that that's the thing that caused me breakout. Many of the consumers have complained that that product broke them out. So I think that that's the reason is propylene glycol only. I'm not sure, but since then वो अभी तक ऐसे ही पड़ा and I've not been using that. So why I said that is because this one does not have propylene glycol. It suited me so nicely. I did not break out. First of all, I did not have any comedons as well. So that's the thing I wanted to tell you guys. So if you guys want a ceramide based moisturizer, if your skin barrier is damaged, then you need to include ceramides in your daily skincare routine. And if you guys want, you can totally check this out, because it's super affordable for the quantity and for the quality that you get. So I think with that we have come to the end of the video. 10 products थे, but I think मैंने as usual बहुत बात करके बहुत लंबा बना दिया होगा. अब मेरे को इसको edit करने में बहुत time और बहुत energy लगने वाला है. I don't know why I do that, but I just don't know how to talk less. Anywho, I hope you guys like this video, and I hope this is what you wanted. Let me know in the comment section what else you want to see. I will soon do that for you guys. अभी तक तो जो आपने बोला वही मैं कर रही हूँ. मेरे जो लिस्ट में थे वो तो मैंने किया ही नहीं है. Probably शायद जून में करूँगी. But let me know what you want to see next. I probably do that for you guys. Take care. Tada. Bye bye.